Okay, so we're doing the first road test of the Lamborghini Revuelto. We've just finished fitting the RYFT exhaust on this one. Just change it over to manual mode. I can tell this is going to scream really good. So this is like one of the first of its kind. It's a 3D printed titanium exhaust. So you're able to get much better flow in tighter spaces. And we got the 3D printed heat sinks in this as well. So very, very cool design. This is the first in the world except the USA. So we're very proud to have this one under our belt. Oh my God. Holy shit. Okay, that sounds pretty damn good for a hybrid. Oh. Wow. Fucking hell. That's such a clean, crisp note too. Wow, I'm impressed. RYFT have done a phenomenal job on this. We've obviously released a few videos now around how the system's built, and you can just tell by the way the piping's structured, this is why we're getting that real clean note. It's not too high pitched, so it's not stinging your eardrums. It's just like a symphony of V12 exhaust sound, exactly how it should be. And we're not getting the typical drone that you do on some of the other race exhausts out there. Holy fuck! That, I just can't get over it. Downshifts, everything is just so good on this. So before, I wasn't that impressed with the Revuelto as a stock car. I drove it before we started doing the exhaust system. Wasn't really that impressed with it. But honestly, this sound has completely changed the car, and it's exactly what it needs. I would 100% buy one of these now. Even though it's hybrid, I don't care. That sound is just absolutely perfect. The burbles in this thing.